everyone. This is the letter A. What is the sound of the letter A? The sound of the letter A is A. Come on, say it with me. A. A. Well done. Now, let's see what starts with the letter A. This is an apple. Apple. One last time. Apple. Great work. All right, now we are at the fair. It looks like a really fun day. We can see some kids playing games and others winning a prize. Can you spot what words have the letter A? First, we have a cat. 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 Well done! Next, we have this orange anorak. Anorak. What is it? Anorak. Then, at the back is the hat. Hat. One last time. Hat. Finally, we have the dad. Dad. Come on, say it with me. Dad. Great job, everyone. Now, it's your turn to say the letter A.